Hey everyone, I'm Artie. Welcome back to Satisfactory. In this episode, I'm going to show you a quick way to build a connection to carry monorail or any vehicle or even conveyor belt from point A to point B, where the point B is distant and high up or below, and we simply don't know where to start to make the construction precise, smooth, and to build it relatively fast, not going blind. Let me show you what I mean on an example, and maybe you'll find it useful. So here's the thing. I need bauxite. One of the bauxite nodes happens to be here. We can see the river and the waterfall, and the waterfall is over there. So I want to transport the bauxite from the node over there all the way down here, and then making ingots, aluminum sheets and all that. So normally I would be finding my way up there, exploring and stuff to find that node. Then I would place 8x4 block on the edge of the cliff, and I would be going blind but building long ramp or bridge, whatever you call it, all the way somewhere here in my base, right? But I came up with better idea, and since I want to use train for the transportation, I cannot use 8x4 ramp because it's too steep for the monorail. With other vehicles it would be fine to go like this, but it would be also slow, so I prefer to use 8x2 ramp, which is good for monorail and it's faster for the other vehicles. So first I'm gonna set the B point from where I'm standing, and I say that I would want my bridge, my long ramp, whatever you call it, to end like at this point, right? And since I want the connection to be extension of my existing base platform, I'm gonna drag a couple blocks over here like this, get the bauxite node on the map once again, line up the bauxite node with the center point here. Okay, so I think this block would be nice, you know, just imagine virtual line going there. I don't want my bridge to hit this rock. I want it to end here, to connect here. So I think this will be the starting block. So this will be level 0, this platform, right? So it's level 0, and this is the starting block for the measuring. What we do now is we equip the jetpack, we pick 8x4 foundation, keep our head down, jump and count blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait for the jetpack to refuel, and again 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we go up like this until we see that we are more or less on the same height with the edge of the cliff. 50, and I can see that the height is the same pretty much. So I'm writing down 50 blocks up. This is the height. Now we move forward, of course, counting blocks, but remember the height. So counting this block, it will be 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm at the 125th block of the length, and I can see it's not high enough. So I'm writing down the length, which is 125 blocks, and now I'm gonna add to the height. So again, standing on the block, head down, 8x4, jump, count 1, 2, 3, I think it's enough. So it's 15 plus 50 from the start, right? So add it. It will be 65 for me. Okay, wrote that down. And now we continue the length. 126, 27, 28. And the location of the point B is not good. I want it to be somewhere here, but that's fine. So for now, the length is 137 blocks and the height is 65. I'm gonna go on the side, not counting this. And this will be the point B. This is where the construction connects. So I have the measurements of the construction. It will be 66 blocks of height and the length is 138. Yeah, I placed the miner earlier here. This is just an example, right? So the node is here, so the train will be going down here and there will be train station. So this is perfect. Now I'm not going to build the bridge, the connection downwards. I was measuring because I want to know where the second end of this connection will hit the level 0, the platform. If the height all the way here is from the level 0 platform is 66, then the length will be times 2 of the height, will be double the height. So 66 times 2 is 132. So now we count, not counting this block I'm standing on. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 132 more. And 32. I'm gonna delete this block. So 5 more. I mean 4 more, because 5 is the height. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what it tells me? It tells me that from the point B, from that very block I've set over there, the ramp will be going down smoothly and hit the point A here. So this is planning, okay? So if I want the train, the monorail, to the ramp, you know, the bridge, whatever, start or end here, I know that I have to add like 4 blocks to that end. But if I'm okay with the bridge hitting the ground, hitting the level 0 here, that's fine. I'm not really okay because it's too close to the iron ore nodes. So I think I will make it like here. And I know that I will have to add 3 blocks. Now I can start deleting the measurements because I will not need it anymore. I have my point A here and I have my point B set. And let's not forget that I made 1 block to the right. The point B is exactly straight ahead now. Now we build the bridge, the ramp, whatever you call it, placing 2 blocks to the front and 1 up. 2 blocks front, 1 up. We are getting closer and closer, passing the measuring block line. 1, 2, and 1 up. 1, 2, 3, so 1 up, and it's here. So you can see that it's exactly 1, 2, 3 blocks away from the point B. Now I'm gonna do 2 things at once. I'm gonna be placing 8x2 foundation every 2 blocks, placing here, and 1, 2, placing here, 1, 2, placing here, 1, 2, placing here. This is the one thing I'm going to do. And the second thing is to delete the blocks I used for measuring. Alright, now the last run upstairs, and we will be coating the stairs with 8x2 ramps, so it's pretty fast. We can actually wear the blade runners for it. And the last one. So this is how it's done. This is my idea to build smooth. I don't know if it goes with the definition of the bridge. I'm no engineer, but it looks like long ramp down. If we want our construction to be even more aesthetically pleasing, we can build pillars to not make it look like it's hanging in the air. I will go with double pillars. The length of this air quote bridge is 132 blocks, so we can do the math and like make the pillar every 33 blocks, and we will have like 4 pillars. It does look nice for me, in my opinion. I hope it helps you. If yes, then I'm glad I could share my idea with you. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next episode, which will be regular episode. Bauxite and stuff, all that here will be built. The nuclear facility, as you can see, 4 nuclear power plants and all that stuff. So see you in the next episode or in other videos. Thank you very much again for watching. Feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And thank you very much for all the subscriptions. Also, you can give this video a like if you feel like it. And that would be it for now. Bye.